look like what the freak? Hello, madam.
Every day not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my
Happy Vlogmas Day 5. I started my day making some salmon cakes for breakfast. Then I made Lavender's lunch. I'm a repeat offender. She's picky. This drink right here, baby. That chai tea with the cold foam. Pumpkin spice cold foam, baby. This might be my drink. Okay? It is bomb. So I've been trying to really get into mini bags, but I'm just not a fan. I purchased this Valentino mini bag for my birthday coming up December 21st. I couldn't wait until that day to unbox it, so here's my unboxing. It came with the authentication cards. I have a bad habit of not taking a breath when I talk. This little duster. So I just love bags in this color. It's such a vibrant, bold color, especially with this mini bag. I just feel like it makes it pop. But this is my second luxury item that I've purchased in this color with gold hardware. Another color that I can't seem to get away from is black bags with gold hardware. So I'm trying to diversify my color palette, but it just seems to stick with me. So let's put this away and unbox the next item that I purchased. More Valentino. She's got a cousin, a sister maybe, a twin maybe. Let me stop. So, these shoes I did not know were this tall. Again, there goes that poor judgment, but I saw Alonzo. Fabulous Alonzo. Why did I say Alonzo? Alonzo with these shoes from Instagram. And I was like, oh my goodness, they're giving. But the crazy thing is they looked tall when he wore them. So I'm not sure what I was thinking, but they are gorgeous. Come on, get the paper open. The people are waiting. And boom. My favorite color again, this like magenta pink is just given. Now I've seen the girls on Valentino wear this with like the color blocked outfit. They do the solid pink leggings, stockings, the pink stockings. They'll do a pink baby doll dress and it just gives everything. But I also like how they look on a nude leg. It's just something about that magenta color against your skin just looks so beautiful. So I definitely want to do 2 different looks with these shoes. Hell, for the price point, I'll do many looks with them. But they just look so fabulous. I can't wait to wear them out. So then for lunch, I met my sister at Ma Dragon. I think My Dragon or Ma Dragon. When we came in, they immediately asked us if we want the dim sum cart. Now, it was about to end, so they rushed to try to get what we wanted on the table. And we were so confused. We picked things that we didn't even know what it was. This was a sweet, crunchy sesame seed ball with bean curd in the middle. We literally ordered everything. I mostly ordered things with shrimp.
You what? You just think the girls broke Kid and everybody that old man thinks stupid. You be like, so I love.
You wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad?
Now, why'd you roll my window down?
I didn't know you would have been. You look like what the freak? Hello, madam.